Here in this tutorial I'm going to explain you about how to set up your iOS platform for Flutter app development for iOS platform, right? So the first thing what you need to do is install the latest stable version of Xcode, and yeah, you just need to click go to the Mac App Store and just pretty much install the latest version. Okay, so I think you just pretty know how to do that, guys. Actually, I have already installed the latest version of Mac App Store, and yeah, I will show it for you guys. So sorry, this is the simulator, and like I have the latest version of yeah, so this is the latest version of the Xcode that I have installed. If you see, it's the latest version that I have installed in my computer is version 13.2.1. Okay, so I suggest you to go and install. That's the first step. Okay, and I will not go through the installation process of Xcode. You just need to go through the pretty much the official website of Mac App Store, and like just pretty much go and install it. Okay, so now the second step is going through this, but for that before that I just want to open the terminal, because I just want to run the Flutter Doctor, which will pretty much scan and see the situation, right? It's gonna give the summary of all the details about all the setup that you need to do for your app development for Flutter, right? So we will check the situation, all the summary of if any, yeah, as you can see here it says that Xcode for iOS and macOS this Cocoa Pods is not still installed. Okay, anyhow, the interesting thing, like good things, like we have already the Xcode 13.2.1, so this is pretty much okay. So we will go through this Cocoa Pods installation in the later in the next tutorial. It's not a necessary one for the initial step. Okay, so pretty much as you can see here, in my previous tutorial I have already gone through the installation process of Android, right? So here you just need to pretty much go and in the official website and just pretty much install it, right? So that's it, guys. And now let's go to the terminal and let's copy and paste this command. This pretty need to copy this one. To configure the Xcode command line tools to use the newly installed version of Xcode by running the following the command line. Okay, so we just need to go and paste this command, enter. So I just need to install my password. Is usually it's the password of your PC. Everything is done. So that's it, guys. So and you can also do the run the Xcode first launch, but when you want the latest ones you need to use the different versions when the parts installed. Okay, so make sure the Xcode license is agreed. So let's go and also agree the license, guys. Xcode build license. Okay, let's read all the license agreements. Yeah, guys, I will suggest you guys to read all the license agreement, but it's pretty long, guys. Yeah, I will not go through all the license agreement right now. You just need to go and accept it. Oh, it's like pretty much a long list of license. agreement. Okay guys, okay, by typing agree, so let's type agree. Okay, so that's it guys, so we have agreed the license agreement. Okay, so now we are pretty much done. Okay, so the iOS setup is pretty much done guys, so there's nothing not much to do. Actually you can also do the first launch, but we will do the setup of iOS simulator in the next tutorial. And thank you very much guys. So pretty much in the next tutorial I will be talking about how to run your application in a iPhone devices, right? iPhone emulator. Okay, so thanks guys, and catch you in the next chapter.